What's up guys, CodeWolf here with another video, and in this video I'm showing you the card game that I made with Python. Alright, so first of all, I think this project was a huge success. So this is my first version. I made it so, well yeah, obviously you know what card game this is already, probably right here, Blackjack. So yeah, I think this is a huge success. I managed to add two things where you can type in rules. I typed in rules, rule. So type in rules, it'll be there soon, but this is just my first version. But if you press start, you'll get two cards right here, and then the dealer would have one hidden card and a one card up. You want to choose whether or not you want to hit or stand. Since I have 11, I'm going to hit. I get another card, so that's 14, 18, I'm going to stand. And then the dealer does its moves. It shows its card, and then it hits, because that's what it was programmed to do. If it has under 16, dealer lost, you win. So yeah, this was a huge success of a project. I really enjoyed making it. There weren't really many errors, but I had a lot of headaches. But yeah, through that, here's the code. So I know, it looks like a maniac made it. So, starting it off, I had import random, so you have 8 random different cards, because so you can only have up to 4 cards. So the dealer has can get these 4 cards, you can get these 4 cards. There's no way of telling what the card will be, so that's awesome as well. And it made a while statement to keep the loop going over and over again, so you can play as many times as you want. So I made it so if your money goes down to 0, the while loops ends and you lose. Another cool thing is that I made it so whenever you win, you get money, and whenever you lose money. So here's a good example right here, this elf and elf statement. If you get blackjack right off the bat, you win and you get 20. If the dealer gets blackjack right off the bat, you lose 20. And going through this, we have response equals input, hit or stand. And I made it so if your response equals hit, it'll do this motion over and over again, and then it slowly goes down a little bit. So like right here is the response to that. Sorry. Right here is the response to that last hit statement. I think. It may be here actually. So if you like stand right off the bat, never hitting, it'll do all this and I'll let the dealer go. It just depends. It has all the different combinations and all the different motives that would happen. Except one, which kind of sucks because I never thought about it until it was completely done and I didn't want to spend time working on it, so kind of sucks. Alright, well, that's that. The next one is right here. Blackjack version 2, which is done and it's a little bit better. It looks cleaner. So I'm going to do that because I'm not going to show you the code yet. So I start it does the same thing, but if you type in rules, you can already see a change. Next, you press start. It does the exact same thing, except you can hit and get up to 5 cards instead of 4. So I got a 10 here, 16, 17, 18. So I'm going to stand, because that's already a high number. Then the dealer would take its moves. It seems to have hit. Got enough to win. So yeah, works just as well. And when I was working on this, I tried working on version 3, and I found out that there's a much easier way to do it. See, this one is the same, it's just much more organized. And it has a little bit more, and it's a little bit longer than the average version 1. So what I did with version 2 is that I copied and pasted version 1 into here, and then added as much code as I could to make it better. So I added it says rules, you go here. then start. It'll start giving you all your options and make any changes or restart the game if any of these happen. Like this right here is if something happens, because I can't make it, so there's a chance that you can get like 2 11s, which would be over 21, which kind of sucks, but yeah, it's just like that. So yeah, there's no way for me to fix that, but I could change him down to 10, but that would make the game boring because you can't get blackjack right off the bat. So yeah, it's much more organized, much more clean, works really well. And when I was learning Python a little bit more, I was reminded about something that I forgot, and it's how you can define words. And I could make another file have all these definitions, sorry, and functions made, and I can use them as like buttons and put them in here. So it's like, if this happens, press this button. So yeah, I could have something and I can use it over and over again. It makes it a lot easier. So I think I'm gonna do that for my next version. It might take a while because I still need to learn more, but it works really well. Also, I was thinking of learning JavaScript soon, so yeah. So I can make more games that are more interesting. Also, subscribe to the channel. Got 1 subscriber so far. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely going to keep working on some projects like this. Thank you for watching. Is there anything else? Is there? But yeah, just thank you for watching in general. It's greatly appreciated, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Not sure what it's going to be yet, but I hope it's good. See ya.